Is your Delta faucet driving you crazy with that constant drip, drip, drip? Don't worry today, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky Delta faucet with just a few tools and a little bit of time. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Kitchen Faucet channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of repairing a single-handled Delta faucet that's leaking. It's easier than you might think, and you'll save money by doing it yourself. Repairing a leaking Delta faucet with a single handle usually involves a few key steps. The leak is often due to worn-out O-rings, seals, or a faulty cartridge. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Tools and materials you'll need. Number 1. Adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers. Number 2. Allen wrench. Number 3. Screwdriver. Number 4. Plumber's grease. Number 5. Towels or rags. Number 6. Bucket to catch water. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them off by turning the handles clockwise. Open the faucet to relieve any remaining water pressure. Step 2. Remove the handle. Look for a set screw on the handle. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw. Carefully remove the handle from the faucet. Step 3. Access the cartridge. Once the handle is off, you might see a retaining nut or a cover plate. Use a wrench to remove the nut or unscrew the cover. Carefully pull out the cartridge. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it back and forth until it loosens. Step 4. Inspect and replace parts. O-rings and seals. Check the O-rings and seals for any signs of wear or damage. Replace them if necessary. Apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the new O-rings before installation. Step 5. Turn on the water supply. Slowly turn the shutoff valves back on. Test the faucet by turning it on and checking for leaks. Check for leaks. Ensure that there are no leaks around the handle or base of the faucet. If everything is dry, your repair is complete. Make sure to have a towel or bucket ready to catch any water when you remove the cartridge. Take the old cartridge or O-rings to a hardware store to ensure you get the correct replacements. If the leak persists after replacing the cartridge and O-rings, it may be worth consulting Delta's customer service or a professional plumber. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.